What do we got here? Oh, it's outer tie rods. Why are they cut? Oh yeah, we're gonna make them longer, way longer. Yeah. So a while ago I made an angle kit on the rx7. It's pretty wide, it's like plus 60 mils, which is crazy. Like, to put it in perspective, that's like a comp level, bois fab, just engineering, GK Tech, like what else do we got? Like the high level extreme angle kit. That's like usually between plus 50 and plus 70-ish. They usually do not go higher than 75, and that's like stupidly extreme. So we got ourselves the OEM outer ball joints. The rx7 ones, they were not ideal because they have this bend, and they also have the it's more like a bump steer type of correction, I would say, but so these are not ideal to extend because of this angle in this. We're gonna weld these up. We'll have some extended tie rods, and then the whole suspension can go back together in the front, and everything is in working order. Just temporary, bro. I swear, it's just temporary. So, out here I got some tie rods, some outers. These were dumb short. Yeah, they look like dookie right now, but yeah, I'm not finishing this shit off. Like, I'm not making it look clean. I don't care. It's merely functional. So, I'm gonna throw a little bit of paint on it. Probably just some zinc. Just so it doesn't look like a rusty mess after a little while. But, yeah, it's gonna function just fine. I hope I do not bend these. Like, I did not fill these up with metal. Usually I do, because these tubes are hollow. Usually I do fill up the inside, but these are temporary ones, and I just want the car to be movable out here. And maybe have like spare, I don't know. Just whatever.